All right, folks, what we got here is a 2020 Nissan Rogue SV. One of the headlights are out, which is this one. And this one, see, there's a little tiny hole that we're going to have to be able to get through, is right there, that bulb. The other one's a little better, because you can go around this way for it, okay, as opposed to going through the top only. All right, I'm going to replace it with these Silver Star Ultras H11s. All right, remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, so let's start it. Let's do it. We're going to do the passenger side first. All right, see if I can set you up on this little tripod. Hopefully, my hands won't get in the way in this 17-degree weather. Let's do it. All right, because it's such a tight spot here, okay, the connector, so you notice I went on the other side of this cross member, okay, there's a little tab over here. You push that tab in, okay, and then give it a pull at the same time, and the connector will come out, all right? It's going to be hard plastic because it's cold out. And the bulb is going to turn left to loosen it up. Okay, once it goes there, like a quarter turn, the bulb is going to come out. So we're replacing these in pairs only because Amanda bought the Ultra, okay? If you bought the standard one, I would just change the bulb that went bad. But there's going to be a difference in brightness, so that's why we're going to change it. All right, so I'm going to open this package up and put it back in. Hold on. All right. Like in most of these bulbs here, they tell you not to touch the glass. So even though I have rubber gloves on, I'm not going to touch the glass. All right, just going to grab it like this, stick it back under here. That's where I got it out of. Go around here. I'm going to set you up right here. Do it with one hand here. I'm going to stick it in. Turn it back to the way that I remember that I took it out of. It goes to 5 o'clock position. Push it in. Turn it to the right. It'll click in. You take this. Connect it over here, people. And that'll click in too. Alright? So that's one side. So just to double check, I'm going to go turn it on. There it is. All right. So now I'm going to go and do the other side. The side that is out. All right. Same thing. I'm not going to be able to go through here with the air cleaner, but I'm going to try to do it right here. Might have to do it with the left hand. All right. All right. Hopefully you'll be able to see this one here because it's in such a bad spot. Let me see if I can blow this up a little bit for you. All right, so basically the bulb is right there off to the side. All right, but you get the idea if you can't see it because I did the other side. All right, so like I said, the hardest part is the freaking plug in this weather. So I'm gonna push it with one hand here. I can push the tab. There you go. All right. Beautiful. There's the plug. All right, got the little green little plug in there. See it? All right, then the bulb is going to come out to the left, so it's going to go that way. All right, so it's about 3 o'clock position. That's the way I took it out. All right. So that's the way it's going to go back in. Tilt you up a little bit. Not sure exactly where we're looking at, but anyway. Got a new bulb. Take it out. Silver Star H11s. Try not to touch the bulb. The glass, I meant. Come on out, people. Can't feel my fingers. All right, so here's the bulb. Same thing, 3 o'clock position. There is the hole right there. You guys can see it. Let me go down a little bit more. Okay, sound good? Like I said, that's connected with the little green thing here. This is gonna go in at the 3 o'clock position. Make sure it sits in. Turn it to the right, like that. Take the plug. It's hard to do when you can't see it. All right, it's there. I'm gonna click it in now. Da da da. There it is there. Okay. It's all in. Let's go turn it on. Let me go turn it on. All right, I see it. There you go, people. The bulb is on. Sylvania Silver Star Ultras. And a Nissan. That's it. Cleanup time. Throw the old one out. See what you want to do with the old one. The good one. All right, that's the bad one. Toss it out. All right, that's it. Nissan Rogue headlights. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Stay warm.